exosolar. Episode number exosolar. Kinetic theory of gases. काइनेटिक थ्योरी क्या है, इसको किसने डेवलप किया, कब डेवलप किया, एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस and the behavior of gases when in motion. We will study in this chapter. Introduction. The kinetic theory was developed in the 19th century by Maxwell, Boltzmann and others. It gives a molecular interpretation of pressure and temperature of a gas and is consistent with gas laws and Avogadro's hypothesis. It correctly explains a specific heat capacities of many gases. It also relates measurable properties of gases such as viscosity, conduction and diffusion with molecular parameters yielding estimates of molecular size and masses. Molecular nature of matter. Richard Feynman, one of the great physicists of 20th century, considers the discovery that matter is made up of atoms. He considered atomic hypothesis to be communicated to the next generation of creatures in the universe. Atomic hypothesis is this: all things are made of atoms, little particles that move around in perpetual motion, attracting each other when they are a little distance apart, but repelling upon being squeezed into one another. Matter may consist of individual constituents. The scientific atomic theory is usually credited to John Dalton. He proposed the atomic theory to explain the laws of definite and multiple proportions obeyed by elements when they combine into compounds. The first law says that any given compound has a fixed proportion by mass of its constituents. The second law says that when two elements form more than one compound for a fixed mass of one element, the masses of the other elements are in ratio of a small integers. Dalton suggested that constituents of an element are atoms. Atoms of one element are identical but differ from those of other elements. A small number of atoms of each element combine to form a molecule of the compound. Gay-Lussac law states that when gases combine chemically to yield another gas, their volumes are in the ratio of a small integers. Avogadro's law says equal volumes of all gases at equal temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules. Avogadro's law, when combined with Dalton's atomic theory, explains Gay-Lussac law. Since the elements are of atoms in the form of molecules, Dalton's atomic theory can also be referred to as the molecular theory of matter. The theory is now well accepted by scientists. Thus, we explain that gases is made of a small molecules that is called atoms. And this is explained by Dalton's atomic theory, Gay-Lussac law, and Avogadro's law, all combined into one, that the molecular theory of matter is interpreted that gas is made of a small molecules molecules is made of atoms. And the atoms of one gas have same size and same geometrical figures, but of different gas are different. When two elements form more than one compound for a fixed mass of one element, the masses of the other elements are in the ratio of small integers. कहने का मतलब है कि जब कोई कंपाउंड फॉर्म होता है किसी दो एलिमेंट से, वो एक उनका मासेज है एलिमेंट का वो स्मॉल इंटीगर रेशियो में होते हैं, 1:2, 2:3 इस रेशियो में हो सकते हैं. Dalton suggested that constituents of an element are atoms, और एलिमेंट का जो सबसे छोटा पार्ट है वो एटम का. They differ. Atoms of one element are identical. They are identical होते हैं एक element के atom, लेकिन differ from the other elements. A small number of atoms of each element combine to form a molecule of the compound. Thus, gas have smallest particle each atom. एटम जो है वो मिलके बनाता है मॉलिक्यूल कंपाउंड का निर्माण करता है और वो कंपाउंड गैस का निर्माण करता है. एटम से सबसे छोटा पार्ट जो होता है वो एटम होता है किसी भी गैस का.